Please welcome Dr. Abraham Lee.
To begin our mastership programs, I would request our Dr. Abraham Lee to kindly come on the stage for the ceremony.
सबसे पहले हम हमारे न्यूली प्रमोटेड सेल्स मास्टर मिस्टर एंड मिसेस कुमार को स्टेज पे इनवाइट करना चाहेंगे. प्लीज वेलकम मिस्टर एंड मिसेस कुमार.
I would also like to request Mr. and Mrs. Kumar, our newly promoted sales master, to kindly come over the stage. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Kumar.
अब मैं डॉक्टर इब्राहिम से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो हमारे सेल्स मास्टर को उनके सर्टिफिकेट से सम्मानित करें.
Now I request Dr. Abraham to please hand over the certificates to our new sales master.
उपर्युक्त डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि उन्होंने पूर्ण योग्यता के साथ सेल्स मास्टर का पद प्राप्त किया है. यह लक्ष्य उन्होंने एटमी बिजनेस पर पूर्ण विश्वास और उत्साह के बल पर हासिल किया है. This is to certify that the above distributor is qualified for and entitled as sales master, an achievement that made possible by conducting the ATME business with faith and passion. जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, हमारे न्यूली प्रमोटेड सेल्स मास्टर को 1 एटमी द फेम एंड सेकंड द इवनिंग केयर से सम्मानित किया जाता है. तो मैं अब डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा हमारे सेल्स मास्टर को उनके प्रोडक्ट गिफ्ट से सम्मानित करें.
As you all know, when you become a sales master, the company gave you two the famed set and 1 evening care set. So I request Dr. Abraham Lee to please hand over the product gift to our new sales master.
अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो हमारे सेल्स मास्टर को उनके बुके से सम्मानित करें.
Now I request Dr. Abraham Lee to hand over the bouquet as a token of appreciation.
अब मैं हमारे सेकंड सेल्स मास्टर मिस्टर अरविंद जी को स्टेज पर इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा. प्लीज वेलकम मिस्टर अरविंद.
Next, I would like to invite Mr. Arvind. He is our new promoted sales master. Please invite him on stage.
अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो हमारे सेल्स मास्टर को उनके सर्टिफिकेट से सम्मानित करें.
Now I request Dr. Abraham Lee to please hand over the certificates to our new sales master.
सर्टिफिकेट का कंटेंट पहले जैसा ही रहेगा. अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो हमारे सेल्स मास्टर को उनके प्रोडक्ट के साथ सम्मानित करें.
Now I request Dr. Abraham Lee to please hand over the product gift to our new sales master.
अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली से कि वो हमारे सेल्स मास्टर को उनके बुके से सम्मानित करें.
Now I request Dr. Abraham Lee to please give the bouquet as a token of appreciation.
अब मैं आप चारों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप सब आगे आएं फोटो सेशन के लिए.
Now I request all of you to please come forward for the pictures.
थैंक यू. अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली एंड मिस्टर अरविंद से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि प्लीज आप अपनी सीट लें.
Now I request Dr. Abraham Lee and Arvind to please take a seat.
अब मैं हमारे न्यूली प्रमोटेड सेल्स मास्टर मिस्टर कौशलेंद्र कुमार से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो अपनी सक्सेस जर्नी हमारे साथ शेयर करें.
To make our seminar more eventful, I would request our new sales master to kindly share your success journey at Atomy. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Kushendra Kumar and I am doing Atomy business. Before telling you anything about Atomy, I would like to thank my God because He was the one who put me at the right place at the right time. I would also like to thank the CEO of Atomy, Mr. Han Gil Park. He was the one who provided us this global opportunity, which is changing lives throughout the world every day. And I would also like to thank the complete management of Atomy India. Because of their help, I was able to succeed in this field very, very fast. and I was able to set new records every single day. I would also like to thank my uplines and my team members. Without their support, I would not have been able to enjoy this success that I am enjoying today. In this success, the biggest contribution is of my family and of my children. They have helped me and supported me on my every step. I would like to thank them from the bottom of my heart. Before joining Atomy, I was working with an MNC company, and even over there, I was enjoying a very successful career. The biggest reason for me to join Atomy was their sharing culture, ethics, and products. The products of Atomy are of absolute quality along with absolute price. Over here, we have to use these products and we have to create a network of people who would like to enjoy and use these products. The success formula over here is as follows: use the product, feel the product, share the product, and care about the team. Atomy is a 2-leg ULM business plan. I would like to inform you that to get successful in Atomy, you will have to take care of both the legs. You cannot get successful if you keep working on just one leg. Because of Atomy online e-commerce platform, the world is changing really fast. And in the near future, I would really like it that if I can provide more and more SM and DM from my team. And at the end, I would again like to thank Atomy India management for giving me this opportunity to come on this stage and share my experience with all of you. Thank you. Har Har Atomy, Ghar Ghar Atomy. Join Atomy, go Imperial.
Wow, what a wonderful story. So अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा मिस्टर मिसेस कुमार से कि वो अपनी सीट्स ले.
Thank you for this powerful insight, Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. You can have a seat.
अब मैं हमारे दूसरे सेल्स मास्टर मिस्टर अरविंद जी को इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा स्टेज पर. प्लीज वेलकम मिस्टर अरविंद. गिव देम अ बिग हैंड.
Next, I would like to invite Mr. Arvind, our new sales master, on stage to share his success journey.
I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of my Atomy family member. My name is Arvind Kumar. I am from Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan, and presently I am living in Delhi. If I need to talk about my background, my father is a postman in a post office and my mother is a housewife. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Friends, if I talk about my education, I have done BSc in Bio and B.Ed. After completion of B.Ed, my father asked me to prepare for a government job and also asked me to start teaching in a school so that I can take care of my own expenses. Friends, since a very long time, I always wanted to be a businessman, but my father and family members pressurized me to become a government teacher. I just didn't know what to do. During this time, I started as a business promoter in an education-based direct selling company. After 2 years, the company got shut down. The story came full circle. Again, my father started pressurizing me to start a government job. But I didn't agree. I assured myself that if I am going to do something, that is going to be a business. Otherwise, I'll not be doing anything. So my father started making me understand that in a business, you need money and experience, and we didn't have both of them. But I was not ready to give up. In 2013, when I was still working with my old company, I had registered an NGO in my name. During this time, I got a chance meeting with an employee of a big NGO company. They were looking out for an NGO who can take on their project in Rajasthan. And without even thinking, I agreed to it. And then I just didn't know when 2016 arrived. Whenever I used to sit at home with my parents, they used to tell me only 2 things. First, get a government job. And second, it is very easy to get a government job at your age. I kept ignoring them. And in 2016, I started an insurance work with my NGO. In the year 2017, I started talking to a friend regarding expansion of my business. And then, we shifted our office from Rajasthan to Delhi. We were just not able to understand the Delhi market, and in 1 year, we suffered a loss of 45 lakh rupees. Even then, by the year 2018, we were able to recover most of that money. In the December month of 2018, one of my FB friend informed me about Atomy. From 2013 to 2018, I kept getting different perspectives from different MLM companies, but I was not ready to join them. When I got to know about Atomy, I studied about them in detail for 2 months, and then I got to know about an Atomy seminar that was being conducted in Delhi. In that seminar, on 2nd February 2019, I met Nitesh G. Meena. My ID was created on 3rd February 2019, and on 18th February 2019, it got verified. So after that, I left my business with my partner, and from 19th February 2019, I started working with Atomy full-time. During that time, there was nothing in India related to Atomy, so obviously it was really difficult to work with them. But still, we didn't accept defeat. And then, at last on 11th November 2020, Atomy launched in India. I became a sales master, and 3 others from my team also became sales master. All of this was possible because of my team and because of that leader who had worked really hard during the pre-launching season. They supported us completely. Along with them, Atomy India management had also given us their full support. Because of the full support of my complete team and Atomy India management, my family felt 100% proud. This is the only business in India that can provide you a personal business of your own. Over here, lakhs of people change their life daily. The people who were in my situation or are still going through that same situation. For all of you, this is a golden opportunity. You can secure your 3 generations by doing this business. At the end, I would just like to say that all of you should come and join us so that we can eradicate unemployment from India and so that we can provide employment to everybody. If I have become a sales master, so can you. You are most welcome to the world's most powerful system. Atomy India has given the world's best system. At the end, I would like to thank Atomy India management and all of my team leaders.
वाओ, व्हाट ए इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी। अब मैं हमारे सेल्स मास्टर मिस्टर अरविंद से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो अपनी सीट लें।
Thank you, Mr. Arvind, for enlightening us with your success journey. Now you can have your seat.
अब हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं डायमंड मास्टर प्रमोशनल सेरेमनी। तो उसके लिए मैं स्टेज पर इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली को। प्लीज वेलकम डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली।
Now we'll start with the Diamond Master promotional ceremony. For this, I would like to request Dr. Abraham Lee to please come on the stage.
अब मैं स्टेज पे इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा हमारे न्यूली प्रमोटेड डायमंड मास्टर मिस्टर दयानंद जी को। प्लीज वेलकम मिस्टर दयानंद।
Now I request Mr. Tayan, our newly promoted Diamond Master, on stage.
प्लीज गिव देम अ बिग हैंड। अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो हमारे डायमंड मास्टर को उनके सर्टिफिकेट से सम्मानित करें।
Now I request Dr. Abraham to please hand over the certificates to our new Diamond Master.
उपर्युक्त डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि उन्होंने पूर्ण योग्यता के साथ डायमंड मास्टर का पद प्राप्त किया है। यह लक्ष्य उन्होंने एटमी बिजनेस पर पूर्ण विश्वास और उत्साह के बल पर हासिल किया है। This is to certify that the above distributor is qualified for and entitled as Diamond Master, an achievement made possible by conducting the Atomy business by faith and passion. अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो हमारे डायमंड मास्टर को प्रोडक्ट से सम्मानित करें। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, हमारे डायमंड मास्टर को प्रोडक्ट्स गिफ्ट्स के तौर पे हम एटमी द फेम के 2 सेट और इवनिंग केयर का एक सेट, साथ में एक लैपटॉप गिफ्ट करते हैं।
As you all know, when you become a diamond master, you will be given from the company two the fame set and one evening set and one laptop. So I request Dr. Abraham to please hand over the product to our new diamond master.
अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो हमारे डायमंड मास्टर को उनके लैपटॉप से सम्मानित करें।
I request Dr. Abraham to please hand over the laptop to our new diamond master.
अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो हमारे डायमंड मास्टर को बुके से सम्मानित करें।
Now I request Dr. Abraham to please give the bouquet as a token of appreciation to our new diamond master.
अब मैं स्टेज पे इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा हमारे दूसरे न्यूली प्रमोटेड डायमंड मास्टर मिस्टर परिमल जी को। प्लीज वेलकम मिस्टर परिमल।
Now I request our new diamond master representative Barimal on stage. Please welcome him on the stage, guys.
प्लीज गिव देम अ बिग हैंड। अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो हमारे डायमंड मास्टर को उनके सर्टिफिकेट से सम्मानित करें।
Now I request Dr. Abraham to please hand over the certificates to our new diamond master Barimal.
सर्टिफिकेट का कंटेंट पहले जैसा ही है। अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो हमारे डायमंड मास्टर को उनके प्रोडक्ट से सम्मानित करें।
Now I request Dr. Abraham to please hand over the product to our new diamond master.
अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो हमारे डायमंड मास्टर को उनके लैपटॉप से सम्मानित करें।
Now I request Dr. Abraham to please give the laptop to our new diamond master.
अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो हमारे डायमंड मास्टर को बुके से सम्मानित करें।
Now I request Dr. Abraham to please give the bouquet as a token of appreciation to our new diamond master.
अब मैं आप तीनों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप तीनों आगे आए फोटो सेशन के लिए।
Now I request all three of you to please come forward for the pictures.
थैंक यू। अब मैं डॉक्टर अब्राहम ली एंड मिस्टर परिमल जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो आप अपनी सीट लें।
Thank you, and once again congratulations to our new diamond master. I request Dr. Abraham and our new diamond master to please have a seat.
अब मैं हमारे डायमंड मास्टर मिस्टर दयानंद जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो अपना सक्सेस जर्नी हमारे साथ शेयर करें।
Now I request Mr. Dayanand to please share your success journey.
Hello everyone. This is Dayanand Mathur and by profession I am an entrepreneur. I live in Delhi. Although I have a very good experience in multi-level marketing, but due to some circumstances, I faced a big loss. After facing this much loss, I decided to quit my profession. Then I got a job in a company and I started working there to meet my daily needs. In January 2020, I got an SMS from Mr. Lee from South Korea. Initially, I ignored the message, but the way he was talking to me was completely impressive. He invited me in Anatomy Gurugram office. I went to meet him. There, he explained me the whole decorum of the company. After getting aware of the whole scenario, I was eager to join the company as soon as I could. In the very first month, I achieved my sales manager position. In second month, I achieved my diamond master position. If I talk about the products of Anatomy India, the products are incredible. Overall, I would like to say that miracle does happen. We only have to believe in ourselves. I always thank God that He sent people like Mr. Lee in my life. Thank you so much, Mr. Lee. Thank you so much, Anatomy India.
वाओ, व्हाट ए मोटिवेटिंग स्टोरी। अब मैं हमारे डायमंड मास्टर मिस्टर दयानंद जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो सीट लें।
Thank you, Mr. Dayan, for the wonderful testimony you have shared with us. It was indeed very inspiring. Now I would request you to kindly take your seat.
थैंक यू। अब मैं आप सबके बीच में इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा हमारे न्यूली प्रमोटेड डायमंड मास्टर मिस्टर परिमल जी। प्लीज़ वेलकम मिस्टर परिमल।
Lastly but not the least, I request our newly promoted Diamond Master Barimal on stage. Let's welcome him on the stage, guys.
Please give them a big hand.
Hello friends, it's nice to be here and I thank Atomy who has given me this opportunity to share my experience, my journey so far with Atomy. If I say something about my family background, then MLM is something very alien to my family because they have never heard of this word MLM. Everybody from my father to my uncles and all my relatives, they have always been into government jobs, and as expected, they also wanted me to study hard and get into some good government job. But to their disappointment maybe, I was never very studious, although I found myself creative enough, and then I chose a different path and I became a graphic designer. Some 12 years back, this MLM bug bit me, and then what a journey it has been since then. But I won't tell you everything about this whole 12 years. I will cut it short and talk more about Atomy. So I was approached about Atomy some 1.5 years back by my present upline, Inkyu Lee from Korea. Slowly I started taking a little interest, also because I had some time. And then I realized, wow, this company is actually doing something right with the kind of sales during pandemic. They are kind of breaking records in US, Japan. They're on the verge of opening new markets, so they're on the right path. I started reading more about Atomy. I started doing some more research. When I realized that Atomy is a ship which is ready to take everybody and sail. And if you want to be successful, why waste time? We just have to get on board without wasting any time. Once I was convinced, there was no stopping. You need to have a team, but more importantly, you need to have an active team, a devoted team. You should be a leader who is willing to sacrifice, who is willing to come out of his comfort zone and work with the team, work for his team members, for their success. And I chose that path. And I achieved Sales Master in the first cycle. I did the same in the second cycle. And now, with the help of our uplines and our downlines, our team, you see me as a diamond here on stage. So it's not easy, but you need to have patience, you need to have the courage, and most importantly, you need to have a solid plan. As a networkers, as leaders, have a very unique opportunity to approach people who have been affected badly in terms of finances, health, lifestyle, and everything. It's ironical, but we have now the chance to go and show them the opportunity that Atomy has. Also, I would like to talk just a little about the general perception that a commoner has about MLM as an industry. Now we have a lot of negativity also about MLM. We must educate people about good and bad. What is legitimate and what is not. Because this is the case in all the industry. You talk about education, you talk about pharma, you talk about any FMCG, there are good players and bad players. Why then have this unfair doubts with MLM industry? It's such a wonderful industry. It's such a wonderful and strong tool for a common person to reach the success, to get to that financial freedom that this platform can give. The only thing is we need to educate them to differentiate between good and bad. It becomes a lot more easier. Atomy is a multi-billion-dollar entity which is making waves globally. It is now in India, and we need to tell others about it and talk them about the opportunity, convince them that this could lead to their financial freedom. Nobody complains when you're successful, when you have a good payout. A great platform like Atomy does not only give you financial freedom, it also gives you the recognition, which is very important. It makes you feel important, and that matters. Thank you.
구독, 좋아요 눌러주세요.